All right, I'm Sylvie here from New Life Chiropractic, and I'm here with my friend Ron. And he was just talking to me earlier about some changes, some good changes he's seen in his life. And you want to tell us about that?
Sure. When I came in here a couple of weeks ago, I came in because of severe pain in my right shoulder and my left hand, to the extent where I wasn't able to sleep at night, and finally I was not able to go to work any longer. I walked in thinking that I had a torn rotator cuff after visiting another doctor and a severe case of carpal tunnel syndrome. After being examined, Dr. Joel came to the conclusion that there were other issues that replicated those problems, but those were the issues. Mm-hmm. And so he outlined a program for me that I started. And within the first 5 days, the pain went away so fast that I had my hope back.
Good to hear.
Yeah,
That's
it was
wonderful.
Great. By the end of the about 7th day, I was sleeping throughout the night, and it's been about 10 days now, and I'm actually back at work, and I'm crawling under machines like I had before. I can hold the tools in my hands, and I actually don't wake up in the middle of the night crying, thinking what is wrong with me, because it was so severe. And I can't say enough about what they've done for me and the treatment you guys have given me. That's restored my hope, to say the least.
Well, that's awesome.
God
That's
bless
good.
them.
So if you have anyone that you recommend, what would you say to them?
I would, any type of a pain that seems chronic, that seems hopeless, it's causing you to be depressed and causing you to want to give up, I would suggest that you come in and listen to what they have to say and let them explain to you why some of the things that we go through are not necessarily what we're dealing with. And it's, when the doctors wanted to just give me pain medicine on top of pain medicine, I was done. I just thought my life's over with. But when Dr. Joel said we're not going to go in that direction, he says we're going to treat the issues so that the symptoms go away.
That's right.
That was the deciding
Awesome.
factor.
Well, you heard it from Ron, so